Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie and I'm in the craft room and I have another unboxing. This time it is the SCT sampler. I have to admit I am not impressed with the United States Postal Service. Look at this. They jammed it in my little mailbox. Seriously? Like, hopefully the paper isn't damaged. Anyways, let's have a look and see what goodies we got this month. So Laura, who's also part of this channel, she just recently subscribed to this as well. And so hers came this week too. So I'm interested to see how different our packages are. So I'll have to compare notes with her tomorrow once I finish looking at it. So everything comes in a Ziploc bag, which is nice, keeps it nice and contained. It usually comes with a it usually comes with a note card. This one says, "Oh, happy day, your SCT sampler has arrived." And then on the back it explains exactly what you've received. You should go to Scrapbook and Cards Today website for more information on the SCT sampler. Yeah. And see exactly how it works. I think it's a really great deal for what you get, and so far this is my third month. I've been really pleased with the results. So let me zoom in a little bit and we'll look and see what goodies are contained. Okay, so let me flip this over so we can see what's in here. There's always paper. Every month so far there has been a stamp set. There's always been an acrylic piece, so that's really exciting. And let's see what these little bits and pieces are. So basically it is a sampler kit, meaning you're only going to get parts of like a package. You're not going to get the whole thing, which is nice because you just want to try things out sometimes, or maybe the colors aren't your thing, but you know, you don't mind having a few items, just not like so much of everything. Okay, so we got some wood veneer. It says pet cute. They are cute. I guess they are cute, with an exclamation mark and a pet. I think that's all of them. Oh, no. We got R and best. So you can try and make a sentence with them, or of course you could just use them as accent words. I'll show you that there. Okay, so those are the wood veneers. We get a die. That's pretty cool. It looks like a tulip die. It looks like a partial set. It looks like it's from Spellbinders. Yeah, so Spellbinders die. There is a stamp set from Lawn Fawn. It says Tiny Tag Sayings. So that's really cute. It says happy birthday, hip hip hooray, to happy B-Day, from love, happy birthday to you, and happy birthday. So those are really flexible. There's an acrylic happy. I wonder if there's like a birthday theme going on here. We get a row of enamel dots. There's a couple tags, so a plain white tag and then this gold foil tag with some candles on it. From Thermo Web we get some sticky dots, so that's cool. Tiny dots. Okay, so some adhesive. We've got some loose pieces here. Let's see what these are. What we got going on here. So we've got this wonky circle, a yay. I'm not sure what the... Well, I guess it could be an L, or it could be a check mark, or a V-shaped, or something like that. A little banner type thing. What does it say? Never forget who you are, speech bubble. Yep, yep, yeah, yep, Roger, okay. So that's kind of cool. Follow your arrow. What else do we got here? Another wonky circle, but this one's got like a pink foil on it. And see, so maybe these are supposed to go together. That would be the downside of a sampler, right? Like you're only going to get, or I'm only going to get 2 letters, and they probably spell something like maybe lucky. But again, like I said, you could turn these into other things. Like we could make this into like an arrow or a chevron. And the C, you could make it look like something else even just by covering the open part. So something like that. And then you don't know that it was intended to be a C. Or of course, if you happen to be my friend Laura, L and a C are her initials. So that would actually work perfectly. Guess I got the wrong kit. She got mine and I got hers. There is a dimensional flower sticker here. And there is this card with the camera on it. It says good times. Okay. So that's some ephemera. Then we get a 4x6 card, but it looks like it's a cut from a 12x12 cut apart sheet. It says dream big, and then your vibe attracts your tribe. That's that. We got some Project Life cards. So you are number 1, hey hottie, rock on, and kisses. And then this one is another 3x4 card. It looks like it says always be yourself. Unless you can be a llamacorn, then always be a llamacorn. So I guess we're combining the llama and the unicorn trends into one, and we're making new creatures. Okay, so let's look at the card stock. We have an embossed pink. Let's see that with a polka dot. And then we have turquoisey blue embossed. And we're talking dry embossed. And then we've got this textured aqua color. Oh, this looks like lawn fawn paper. Maybe. We've got wood grain in orange and brown. And then we've got this pattern paper. It's a floral. The other side is got like this swirly, almost paisley look. It looks like it's orange on like a tomato red. What coordinates with that looks like it's kind of like a festival decorations or party decorations, and then the other side has these feathers. And we've got some different cups with maybe cocoa or coffee, and then that kind of, what do you call it? Different geometric shapes. And then there's a color blocked, and then on the other side has this fun floral with that pink foil, so that's kind of cool. These look big enough you could easily cut these out if you wanted to. You could probably get 1, 2, 3, 4 good size shapes. Then there's this one that's a little more retro. It's got an old tape cassette, Polaroids, camera, donuts. The other side's got this plaid. And then these all look like maybe they're from a 12x12 sheet instead of scaled down 6x6. That's my guess. I could be wrong on that. So again, this looks like it's from the same line with the pink foil. And then the last piece are the donuts with the pink foil, and then this side is a square geometric shape. Okay, so where did everything come from? So the Good Vibes collection from Mind's Eye, we get the enamel dots, the journal cards. So we've got, I would say, these maybe, or it could be these, and then those enamel dots. The ephemera pack, Be Cool, Pink Polaroid, Sweet, and Awesome pattern paper. So that would be these ones, I think. All these pink foiled ones. Sweet and Awesome is the name of that collection. From Photoplay, it's from the Paprika collection. I'm guessing that's these ones here, maybe. This stuff, the stuff that coordinates with that. The Tassels, Patchouli, T for Two pattern papers, Love Life journal card, ephemera, and from the Garden collection, the layered sticker. Oh, that's this one here. This is from the Garden collection. From My Colors cardstock, Glacier Blue cardstock. This one here, Pink Carnation Mini Dots, and the Delphinium. So these 3 solids. From Lawn Fawn would be the stamp set. From Spellbinders is the flower die. American Crafts is the gift tag. And then we get from ThermoWeb the stickers, and then of course the Happy from Freckled Fawn and SCT. So that is the kit. Pretty cool. I can't wait to see what we can do with this, or what we can do with this, what I can do with this, and who knows, they may be coming in a video soon on this channel. Anyways, until next time, happy crafting.